living, how you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all. Y'all gonna have to excuse the hair, man. We in the Versatile Garage. You know we got something coming to the truck already. I told y'all in the reveal video, y'all, that we already had something coming to the truck, y'all. I just did something to the exhaust. If y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go check it out right here. Should be posted already. As you can see, we got some headlights posted up on the yards, man. Gonna be throwing some new projector headlights in there. Get them old white things out. These actually come with the white lights, but I ordered some like 65,000 K white light, y'all. Gonna look a lot better, look a lot cleaner on the truck. You know, these got like a white LED strip right here and then right here, and this is also a turn signal switchback, y'all, so just gonna look a whole lot better. This is kind of like the older style, man. Then I got something coming to the grill already. You know, if I'm gonna be riding this something, y'all, it's versatile. We gotta switch it up a little bit. We can't stay original with it. Gotta stand out from the crowd just a little bit, you know. Gotta be unique with it. But y'all, so today we're gonna be changing out the headlights. Already got the little heat guard pulled out. It's just a couple little push pins, y'all. Then after that, you're gonna want to hit these 10mm bolts. It's gonna be 4 of them. One right here, here, and here along the bracket. Then before you do anything else, you want to go ahead and go to your, let me go on the other side, y'all, show y'all. We want to go to the wheel well, take out this screw, and this screw. It's gonna be either a 7mm or a 5/8. Either one will work. Then once you got all that out, could push this back, take this off. Then you're gonna be able to lift up on this, take the grill out. Then it's gonna expose this screw right here, which is a 10mm as well. One right here, and I believe that's it, just these two. And it has like a clip holding it in the rear right here. So you're just gonna have to pop it out just a little bit. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Once you got those out the way, y'all wanna be sure to go ahead and just place the screws back, y'all, so you won't lose them. Just a smart thing to do, y'all. Keep track of everything. Make sure they don't fall in the wrong places, you know. And do the same thing. Ooh, that one will go there. They're gonna go in the wheel well. But that's what I was getting ready to say, y'all. Make sure y'all do the same thing for the ones in the wheel well. Before you lose it and drop it in a place somewhere in the engine bay, y'all, then y'all gonna be really out of pocket. Yeah, y'all, to get that grill out, you're gonna have to wiggle it like this back and forth. It's gonna pop out these clips right there, as you see on the bottom. Boom, boom, and you got another one right here. Once you get that grill out, you're gonna have a screw right here. This is gonna be your adjuster screw. Then you got a screw right here. And then you have to release the headlight. You're gonna have to peel back the wheel liner, y'all. This is why we took it out. It got a clip in there. It's gonna be a white clip, y'all. You stick your hand in there like such. I believe you push up on it to release it, yep. And as you can see, the headlight wiggles just a little bit. Not bad, Rubes. Got Rubes in the building. Tell me what's up, Rubes. How you really feeling? Said hot inside, man. It's hot as heck in Texas right now. So once you get that clip out, you should be able to wiggle it free. Yep, like such. One hand that thing. Then you're gonna have your clip right here. Mine is actually broken. You have to push down on it to release it. Let me go ahead and figure out a way to get that off now since mine is broke. So y'all, this has like a little nipple. I was pushing down on it at first. This has a little nipple that the clip. It's a little flat piece right here that sits in between that little nipple, y'all. There you go, y'all can see it right there. Come on, focus for me. But it sits right there, man. And if yours is broke like mine, y'all, and you're not able to push down on it right here to release it, you can get like a skinny flathead, stick it in there, and you're able to pry it up and then push it out. Just in case some of y'all end up in that situation like me, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is that clip you're reaching into the fender liner for. You're gonna reach for it, and it's gonna be already pulled down. You're gonna have to push it up to release it like that. As you see, it makes the hole bigger, and it releases the clip. And then this is the little clip right there, that little lip I was talking about earlier too as well, that you have to lift over the little headlight nipple that I told y'all mine broke on, because you're trying to get it right here over this little clip, y'all. But now we got that out. It's just a simple plug and play, y'all. You're just gonna plug this in, and again, make sure when you're online and you're ordering this headlight, it has the right proper connection. So you're probably gonna want to take your headlight out before you even order it, man, and check y'all connections, because this is actually my second time doing this because I ended up ordering the wrong headlight. So just a heads up, y'all. Let's go ahead and get that thing mounted in there. See how it compares to the old factory one on the left hand side. We got that new headlight mounted up. Look at that compared to that. You see how that one's like a more daytime, sunny type vibe? That's like 3K, 4K right there. This is your 6K light bulb, y'all. Like I said earlier, you're gonna wanna go ahead and order that before you get your headlight. It's gonna be a, my bad, I didn't even mention that. It's gonna be a H9 for the high beam, and then a H7 for the low beams, y'all. So you wanna go ahead and order those. Make sure they're 6K to 65K, y'all. Or if y'all want them a little bit lighter or bluer, that's gonna be like the more 8K, 9K, more blue light type. So, oh man, let me go ahead and hit that light for y'all again. That just looked a lot better. Let me see. You wanna do it for me again? Come on. But y'all seen how the yellow switch back? It just look a lot cleaner to me, y'all. It's gonna, especially after I add my grill that I wanna add. Got a new grill coming, like I said, man. The chrome not too bad. I feel like it's kind of like the type just a little bit too much. Probably just gonna have the chrome riding on the feet, y'all. Let's see if it'll do it. Nah, probably because the hood open and stuff. There you go. It look a lot better, y'all, that turn signal. And that white light on top of that. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna get a black grill in there. My bad, I keep getting sidetracked. Gonna get that black grill on there. Had a chrome riding on the feet, y'all. And who knows what else mods we got coming. Maybe some performance mods, engine mods we're gonna put in that 5.7. We gonna see, man. Let's go ahead and get that other one in there, see how they look together. So y'all, this is that new look, that new and improved. Got the turn signal, new turn signals in there. Sheesh, y'all see the switchback too? And look at them high beams. Look a lot better, y'all. Make the whole front end look a lot cleaner, y'all. Just go with the chrome, man. Got the new ones, them old things out of there. Just kind of modernize the vehicle a little bit. Now I'm about to have a wife turn the vehicle around. Got some coming for the tail lights too as well. About to get them old things out of there though, cause look at us. Looks so, I don't know. It's just an older look to me. Then you know we got the change the third brake light out. Didn't do a video on that. She all in the grass, y'all. Tell me how that exhaust sound though. Woo. But as you can see, I got a couple light bulbs out right there, y'all. That is gonna be why I'm changing it. And got a couple in here. It's LED from the factory, y'all. So gotta get some. Gotta get those changed out. Cause I keep getting a message on my dashboard that, you know, the left turn signal out or the right rear. For the tail lights, man, it's just gonna be these two. Let me change. Take these empty foots off. Boom. It's gonna be these two Torx big screws right here, y'all. I believe they are. Vanilla just knocking, just fucking up today, man.
Shut up.
I believe it's gonna be a T25. Thank you. Yeah, it's gonna be a T25. And then I'm gonna have to pop this shock off, y'all, since I did add the shocks for the rear. And these just come out so easily, y'all. They just slide right out like such. Then you just have to pop this one out. Really, you don't. These you can leave one. Just have to pop this center middle one out. Let me see. So there's a red tab in the back, y'all. You're gonna have to slide down. You push the tab in the middle. Should slide right off like that. Boom, then you got your old tail light, man. Let me go get the new ones so y'all can see those. So y'all, those are the two different tail lights, y'all. Still got the LEDs in the middle. Then we got this bar turn signal, half rectangle turn signal, y'all. You got the reverse, y'all. Plus, y'all, you're gonna have to transfer your old factory wire housing. You're gonna have to pull this off right here, disconnect this right here, twist this, the bottom one, you're gonna twist it out. Then the light bulb's gonna go in the same exact location. Gonna have to lock it in like such. Then this right here is actually gonna plug into these right here. Make sure you get the right aftermarket too as well, y'all, tail lights, if y'all are changing yours too, because there are different ones out there. Then this one should plug right back into the factory, y'all. Excuse me for that. Get y'all set up real quick. Boom. Plug right into the factory. Like such. That's this little red tab I was telling you about, y'all. Push it in. Now, you press the keys. You should. Yep. You always gotta do a function check, y'all, before you get everything tightened up. That's just because it was being pressed against the back of the bed, y'all. But always get a function check in before you fully reinstall, even though it's not that many steps. But man, both these look a lot better than this. Especially since it's a black vehicle, y'all. It's just gonna look so much better. Let's go ahead and get it in, y'all. We just stuff the wires in the little crevices. Oh, these actually have their own little mounting hardware. I could also save these for later, just in case, you know. You never know. Slide these over the factory ones. Oh look, like I said, you never know. This one doesn't have one. Boom, boom. It sits back in there like such, y'all. Put your Torx big screws back in. Tell me that don't look better than this right here, man. Sheesh. And I also did get those new LED black license plate lights, man. This thing is coming along. Plus that blacked out. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look, boom. Got the reverse lights in there, and then it's actually like a rectangle for the brake light, y'all. It's coming together. Then we got them black tips right there. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, y'all. How are the cosmetics on the outside looking? Just wait till I get that grill and then that hood. It's really gonna complete it. All y'all is just gonna correlate better. Then plus once I got them, man. Plus once I get the engine mods going, gonna be crazy, man. I don't know why. I always gotta add my little versatile touch to it. I can't stay basic, y'all. Let's go ahead and get that other one in there, y'all, then get a function check and see how it look, man. Ugh, I did not know that was gonna be like that. I hope y'all saw it. Look, gotta get those to clear that 4K white, like I was telling y'all about. Those are the reverse lights, y'all. Reverse lights is looking ugly, and I'm still debating on should I do the tailgate bar, y'all. And now I'm looking, it kinda needs it. I guess she good right here. Have her do the right turn signal for y'all. Oh, she did the left one. Boom, they're in the center. I don't know why I thought it was the outside rectangles, but it still look good, y'all. It definitely need that light bar. I feel like that light bar will just complete it, y'all. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, y'all. Was this a good mod? And if y'all would want to see this on your truck too as well, man, here y'all go. But man, this is gonna be it for this one. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below what other mods I should do for to the truck, or that y'all want to see to the truck, y'all. The truck is coming together, man. The truck is coming together. That's gonna be it for this one, man. Remember, stay versatile. Treat each that like it's y'all Friday, man, and go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.